Cups with functional inclusions, perfect for energy, beauty, protein, keto, specialty, and more. Cups may be nutrition facts or supplement facts. Manufactured using only whole food ingredients, providing enriched vitamins and minerals with unsurpassed taste and satisfaction. Food Pharma offers an easy-to-use quick launch option. Simply select one of the base options, functionalities, and other options to begin making your cups with functional inclusion manufacturing project. Food Pharma Panned Functional Foods. Traditional chocolate-covered foods such as fruits, crisps, and protein balls that are further supplement enhanced or functionalized. Food Pharma has a skilled R&D team capable of developing your panned products utilizing the specifications and requirements you present to us. Traditional confections and covered candies. Food Pharma offers confections designed to delight the palate as functional or made the old-fashioned way without added functionality. Food Pharma is your leader in new, innovative, functional food product formulations. Start a manufacturing project today. Visit us online or give us a call.